In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten a Microsoft Teams meeting URL link using bit.ly. If you've ever found yourself dealing with a cumbersome Microsoft Teams URL, you know that sharing it can be a bit unwieldy. That's where bit.ly comes in handy. With bit.ly, you can transform long URLs into short, manageable links that are easy to share. Let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, you need to have your Microsoft Teams meeting URL ready to go. This is the link that you'll be sharing with others, so it's important to make sure it's correct. Once you have your meeting URL, your next step is to navigate to the bit.ly website. If you don't have an account with bit.ly, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process requiring just an email, password, and confirmation. Already have an account? Great! Simply sign in to continue. After logging into your bit.ly account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your home base for creating shortened links. Here, you'll see a Create button in the upper right corner. Clicking on this button will bring up the link creation form. At this point, paste your Microsoft Teams meeting URL into the provided Paste Long URL field. Double-check the URL to ensure there aren't any mistakes, as typos can lead to broken links. Once you've pasted your URL, you'll see a Create button within the form. Click on this to generate your shortened link. bit.ly will now produce a short, custom link for your Microsoft Teams meeting, which appears on the next screen. This newly shortened URL is not only simpler to read but also much more convenient to share in an email, text, or any other messaging platform of your choice. If you'd like to personalize the link, bit.ly offers the option to customize the back half of the URL. Instead of a random assortment of characters, you can make the link memorable and specific to your meeting or context. To do this, simply click on the pencil icon next to the link, enter your desired customization, and save your changes. Remember, your custom link needs to be unique, so if your first choice is already taken, try alternative names until you find one that's available. Now that your link is customized and ready, you can copy it by clicking the Copy button next to the shortened URL. You're now set to send this link out to your colleagues, team members, or anyone else attending your meeting. By doing so, you're ensuring that the link is easy for people to click on and share with others. And there you have it, a neat and tidy Microsoft Teams meeting link, ready for sharing courtesy of bit.ly. With this skill, you can enhance how effortlessly you manage and distribute your meeting links, making connectivity smoother for everyone involved. Thank you for watching, and happy linking!